Imagine a bustling city where thousands of men from around the globe flock each year, not for its historic landmarks or vibrant culture, but for a transformative procedure: hair transplants. Istanbul, Turkey, has quietly become the world's go-to destination for this once niche surgery. And the reasons behind its rise are as fascinating as they are controversial. In a sleek, modern clinic on Istanbul's eastern side, Dr. Mehmet Erdoğan, no relation to Turkey's president, meticulously maps out a patient's scalp with a marker. It's a scene that blends artistry with medicine, as the human head becomes a canvas for restoration. Dr. Erdoğan's Smile Hair Clinic, a multi-story facility boasting a 90 to 95% success rate, treats around 500 patients annually, most of whom travel from abroad. But here's where it gets controversial. While the clinic's success stories are undeniable, the booming industry has raised questions about oversight, risks, and the psychological pressures driving demand. Take Justin R., a registered nurse from California in his early 40s who flew to Istanbul for a procedure that cost him just $3,400, including airfare and lodging. In the U.S., he was quoted more than double that amount. This staggering cost difference has turned Turkey into the unofficial capital of hair transplants, with over 1 million people traveling there in 2022 for the procedure alone, spending nearly $2 billion. Nationwide, health tourism generated close to $3 billion in 2024. According to the Turkish Health Ministry, Istanbul's airports are plastered with ads promising all-inclusive packages, hair transplants paired with hotel stays, airport transfers, translators, and even sightseeing tours. It's a tempting offer. But this is the part most people miss. Not all clinics operate with the same standards. The International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery has warned about black market clinics where unlicensed practitioners perform rushed procedures, leading to botched results, infections, and scarring. Glenn Jankowski, a psychologist and author of Branding Baldness, highlights another concern: the medical risks of over-harvesting hair follicles in a single session, which can affect blood pressure. Are patients fully aware of these risks? Or are they being lured by glossy social media reels and the promise of a quick fix? Social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram have played a massive role in normalizing hair transplants. At Smile Hair Clinic, a giant screen loops videos of satisfied clients flaunting their new hairlines, turning the procedure into a lifestyle upgrade rather than a medical decision. But is this trend empowering, or does it exploit insecurities? Jankowski argues that the constant advertising around hair loss creates anxiety, even among those who may not need the procedure. And this raises a bigger question. Are we losing sight of the natural beauty in aging, like hair loss, in our pursuit of perfection? For the Turkish Health Ministry has pledged stricter oversight, but with an estimated 5,000 clinics in Istanbul alone, enforcement remains a challenge. Not everyone is convinced by the transplant trend. Jankowski, who has embraced his own hair loss, offers a counterpoint. The hair we carry on top of our heads, we think it's really meaningful. It's not. There's a beauty and wisdom to hair loss we're unfortunately losing. Is shaving it off and moving on the safer, cheaper, and perhaps more liberating choice? As Istanbul continues to dominate the hair transplant industry, the debate rages on. Is this a medical revolution or a societal pressure gone too far? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.